So let's see how much copper one of these small motors has. I'm first gonna weigh it. It is 6 lbs. Let's go take it apart. So we're gonna take this apart now. Go here, and you're gonna unscrew this. That bolts off. Bolts off. Next one. Go to that side. And same thing.
Josh, you can use a hammer.
The bolt's off. Now you're gonna. So you can't unscrew that. So I think you're gonna take it 11 millimeter, swap it out. You're gonna go on the top, you're gonna unscrew this. Right. So first you're gonna put, I'm gonna take this out first. See, we're gonna take this out, then you're gonna take the bolts out, put them to the side. So this is like just stainless steel.
Aluminum.
Aluminum, yeah. So we're just gonna put it into that bucket, and then we're gonna, I think we're gonna hold this. Hold it like that, and then wait. I'm gonna quickly
Other way.
Huh? Yeah, I know. I have to quickly go get some pliers.
Here.
I'm gonna hold on to the pliers. Cut off the bolt. Cut off the bolt. And take it out. And you can take this out too. There's some copper in there. Some copper, you can see that copper stuff. And then you can, well, you're gonna hit this out, or like, you hit this out, right? Yeah.
And then look how much copper is there.
Yeah, that's a lot of copper.
A lot of.
Good job.
There you go. And here, the bearing's already gone. The bearing's on here. The bearing will usually stay on here. You can hit that off, and that's some aluminum too. Straight aluminum. And then here you have your copper. It's pretty much copper.
Have to take it out.
Yeah, you're gonna have to take it out.